the lighting looks pretty bomb, I know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my gel nails at home. I've been doing this for months. I know that's not very specific, but I've been doing it for quite a while now. I used to go and get them done, but it's so expensive, and this is just so much easier. You can do it at home, and it's pretty inexpensive. It's definitely more than just painting your nails with a regular polish, because you do have to get a dryer, and the polishes are more expensive, and you have to have a base and a top coat, but it's definitely worth it. I actually filmed the tutorial part a week from today, and my nails are still up, no chips, so that's pretty great. I use a Melody Susie dryer, and I use IBD Gel Polish, and I'll put the links for those in the description box. And I found out about these products through a blog called What the Gel Nails, and I will put a link to her blog in the description box, and it was super helpful. She has lots of blogs on how to specifically do it. She has a swatch gallery, just lots of great information on it, so I would definitely go check that out if you're interested in doing gel nails at home. So now I'm going to show you how I do them. So you always want to start out with clean nails with no polish on them, and you want to make sure that you have washed your hands. And I just take this little buffer, and you want to buff all of your nails. And then I take rubbing alcohol, and I fold up a piece of toilet paper and rub my nails with alcohol. This is going to help take any moisture from the nail, and it'll really make sure the polish adheres. Now this is my LED light from Melody Susie, and this is what I use to dry my nails. First thing that I do is apply a gel bonder to the nails. This helps the polish last longer, and you want to make sure that it dries completely before putting on polish. I take the IBD Just Gel Polish base coat, and I apply this to my nails. I let this cure in my dryer for 2 minutes. Next thing that I do is, of course, apply the color. This is in the shade Mauve Over, and I just apply this to my nails. And I also let this cure for 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to go in with a second coat and let it cure for 2 minutes. Now I'm just taking the IBD Just Gel Polish top coat, and I apply this onto the nails and let it cure for 2 minutes. Now even after the polish is cured, it's important to wipe it with the rubbing alcohol again, and this helps take off some of the tackiness that is in the polish. But this is what they turned out like. I think I did mocha, no. Mauve Over, yeah. And I really enjoy how they look, and they last a lot longer, so that's great. Alright guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a nail tutorial, and maybe I'll do some more in the future. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.